Ay, nako, as usual,
Yeah.
sabik na sabik ang lahat sa ulat tungkol kay Tatay Digong. How is he doing today? How's your visit
It
today?
was good today. Hello. See you again. Come here.
Yeah.
Okay. So today, he was. It was the usual. I got him snacks first. I arrived a few minutes before he arrived. I got him like a selection of food, snacks and beverages to choose from again. And as usual, he went for the Coke, and today he went for the cookie pancake. And as we started talking, first, of course, nangamusta siya sa family. To me, to my mom, and to my siblings. Ganon. So I told them that we're all doing well. We miss you, of course, but we're doing well. And uh, and then I threw the question back, okay, how about you? How are you? He said he's fine, and he reassures me that everything is okay because ever since he's had a very stoic and accepting mentality towards everything that's happening. Um, he said, yeah, because my father, he's a very big believer in fate and destiny. So he said in verbatim, it is written. It is written. So he showed me his palms and he said, it is written. And he he gave me also a piece of advice. He said, you know what? It is written sa buhay. Kung anong nasa palad mo, hindi mo yan matatakasan. So, you just pray to God that he will not give you so much of a harsh experience in life. So I said yes. Ganon. And ayun, he was just munching on some snacks and he really likes the pancake ba yun.
Okay.
So I thought he was hungry. Like I thought he was akala ko hindi pa siya nakakain. So parang I was worried. I said, did you eat today? Sabi niya, yes naman. He had chicken and rice today. So he's doing good. He's fine. And for the most part, he was asking about my siblings and his grandchildren. Uh, Mira, yung baby girl namin, and yung he has a grandchild kasi kay Kuya Baste nga na sobrang kamukha niya. So, ayun, yun yung palagi niyang minamention si Soling, saan si Soling, gano'n, gano'n. And then parang a different kind of light beams on his face pag pinag-uusapan si Soling kasi proud na proud siya nakamukha niya yung bata. So, ayun, he was happy to hear all of that today and he was happy to see me and anong araw ba ngayon? It's
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So,
Okay.
he asked me if he would see me again tomorrow. I said, of course. And ayun, that's pretty much it.
Any chance for Mira and Soling to be able to visit?
Of course, yeah. Children are allowed in the detention unit, but of course we have to look at their schedules first because they're children, they are in school, and we don't want them left behind in school.
Wala naman kayo napag-usapan ng current affairs sa Philippines.
Today, wala eh. I just told him na I forgot kung anong rank yun, top 1 to 3, something, ang Davao City. Still one of the safest places, cities
Second.
second, yeah,
Yes.
in Southeast Asia. So he was very happy to hear that, and he was very proud of Vice Mayor Sebastian Ter. I told him na, oh, you know, Kuya Basta, he is honoring your work and legacy. So he was smiling from ear to ear when he heard that.
CVP, when do we expect a visit po?
Si VP, I don't know pa. I just know that for this month, ano ba ngayon? I'm lost. It's August. I know that we're still arranging all the rotation of visits since it's very hard to, you know, arrange everything since madami kami sa family. So I will still ask them pa rin today.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. May mga first-timers ba kasi she's on the rush again. From the New Yorkers, the first-timers. Nasaan na yung asawa mo?
This is Martina, right?
Sino mga first-timers?
Monica.
Monica and Martina. Picture. Nasaan ang picture?
Hi.
Sino may camera?
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, see. Konti lang naman tayo. We can all have our turn. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile! Okay.
Dito, Ma'am Titi. Kanila to. Picture na naman tayo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Husband and wife from New York. Camera mo. Camera mo. Camera.
Yes, folks.
One, two, three, go. Okay, thank you. Dubai, Dubai. Wala na si Dubai. Ikaw.
Smiley face. Kuyawa ba? Ay,
No from, ano? From? Switzerland, yeah. Yeah, go, go, go. Switzerland. Hindi, wala. One, two,
Feeling ko sana yan.
okay.
hala, ma'am. Dili, naka-first timer, ma'am. Uy, para dili na tagili pa.
Kilala na.
Lalab.
Bre.
Ano na kayo? I'm afraid. And where you from? Pero kaya? Oh, you from here. How old are you? 13. We quite often.
Okay. Si, pakisarn dito. Kasi siya yung ano, yan yung ano niya.
Wala kang pirma.
Yan yung ano niya, yung painting. Almost inunak pa.
Painting niya.
Painting.
Ah.
You paint.
And then,
I love
nag-reproduce.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nag-run makes the man.
Siya.
Nag-improve na yung writing ko. Practice ako.
Ako na rin.
Pila na rito, pila.
Padalik ko lang para ma-complete na siya. Kasi summer, maybe kung mayor paste, tapos
Okay, ready ka pa rin. Ay.
Nakabayan mo. Pwede siya.
okay na po.
Kay update ni
I'm sorry.
Ay, nag-uwin lang pero sa kanya. Kasi paintings niya, ginawa ng park. Paintings niya.
Okay, one,
Yun.
two, three, go.
Dito ako.
Okay, next. Sino next? Camera mo.
First timer mo. Hindi naman sa table.
Tama?
Mo na.
Yes, ano mo.
First timer. Kasi galit pa naman yan siya sa akin.
Marino ka first time yung didelete. Kita ba?
Sino pa? Okay na ba?
Asa ka ma'am sa Amsterdam?
Sa mga picture sa may
Okay
ata.
na.
Ba na?
Okay, wala ka ng picture. Kau, Gina.
Kaya attorney mo lang. Sorry? Attorney Nick Dangit.
Vine.
Hi, attorney Nick Dangit. Happy birthday. Congratulations. Happy and I'm the best.
Martin Paterno.
Paterno. Hi, shout out to Martin Paterno and Maldita Band of CDO. God bless you and mabuhay kayo.
Thank you.
Okay, go. Go. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay na. Thank you. You wanna walk her, Martina? Come, let's walk her, Martina. Huh?
Bye-bye, Monica.
Titi.
Thank
you for signing.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
Pwede mo
Ingat.
birthday
See you.
greetings.
Sige.
Angel Trust. Wait lang. Ang pangalan is, wait lang. Real quick.
Go on picture.
Angel Trust. Picture muna silang tatlo.
Okay. Oh, picture with the kids. Come on. Pauwi na sila ng UK.
Oh, yeah, you're going home today, right?
Yeah, I'm going to be sad.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Kenny. Be safe. Okay.
Ingat.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kitty.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ingat, ma'am.
Ingat, ingat po. Bye, plane. Bye.
Okay. Okay.
Asan man ang kanyang drive?
I'll see you later, ha? Oo. See you later. Phone ko. But I'll see you there with this, ano. I'll see you there, ha? Okay.